This video is going to show how to remove the window panel on a 3000 sliding window and replace the wheels. Walk up to the window, depress the lock, slide the window. You need to slide it over far enough that it clears the anti-lift blocks that are in there to prevent people from lifting the panel out in the locked position. Once you've cleared those blocks, you can lift the door panel up, pull out at the bottom, and slide down. It's that easy. Flip the panel over, and you'll see the wheels. It has two small screws. You remove those two screws, and the lock simply slides right out. Replace the lock, replace the screws, and replace the panel in the same manner that you removed it. So on the left side of the opening, of course, clearing the anti-lift block that is there, you push the top in so that the bottom clears the frame, slide it in and let it drop down into the pocket and push it locked. And that is a job well done.